we're going to do an unboxing of the Hunter Men's Play Neoprene rain boot. So I bought these because I wanted a rain boot that was more of an ankle boot, not a tall or short rain boot. And the Chelsea rain boot style fit the bill. I also liked the less than traditional heel, which gave the boot a little bit more of a modern appearance. So everything you see here is the neoprene upper. It's pretty thick. Later in the video, I'll show you what portion of the boot actually has the neoprene. And it keeps you pretty warm inside there. The little pull tab is great because it helps you to get the boot on and off, and that's really easy. It's sewn really well. The neoprene is sewn to the rubber really well, and it's 100% waterproof, which I especially liked a lot. It's a bit heavy, but worked well. Now, the neoprene, it's like a sleeve. So the neoprene comes in here, and then it comes around here. So there isn't any neoprene in here. It's all kind of back here. And here you have just the regular sole. But so this soft neoprene portion is just kind of going like right around there on the sides. And let's look at the lengths. So you see top to bottom there, about 7 inches, and the middle to the heel. There you go. And the top front to there. There you go. And I especially like this heel being a little bit different. I've worn it once and it was really comfortable. This helped to get it on. It was very comfortable. A bit heavy because it's really solid rubber, and it's a thick heel, so it's going to last a long time. So it was not the lightest shoe, but super durable, and I like it a lot. Easy to get on and off, and kind of fashionable that you can pretty much wear it with anything. I wore it with some sweats. I could also probably wear it with a pair of jeans or khakis or anything I'd like to put it together with. Hopefully this helps. Peace. God bless.